What's going on, YouTube? I am just doing this second video to update you on Tribe V2. No pun intended. So I revamped the Tribe design that I did before and figured I'd do a different variation because, you know, everybody don't always like green or black, you know what I mean? Don't always have something to match with. So what did I do? Come up with a new version of it. Still the same type of drip, different colors on it. I mean, and you know me, with the jumpers, I always gotta make sure I stay coordinated. I'm actually finna wear this today, like, I mean, anytime I buy something, I'm wearing it today, either that same day or the very next day, because I can die the same night. I'd be damned if I spend my money and pass away and not wear some shit. And with this one, I got me a nice ass pair of overalls to go with that thing. You know what I'm saying? Got the overalls going on. Do it like this. See the design. See the Tribe. And what would the outfit be without the signature? Bucket hat, you feel me? So, Tribe V2. Keep the whole drip. Alright, so you can buy this on pop90s.us, you know what I mean, or go on my Instagram account, Facebook account. It's gonna be posted under View Shop. All of this right here, you know what I'm saying? The Tribe. Get yourself one. Become a part of my tribe, okay? And hit me up. If you actually DM me about it, I will give you a 10% discount if you get 2 items or more. Feel me? Okay? Deuces.
Reservoir Pop, AM to PM, I used to get lost. Always daydreaming until it was dark. Firefly beaming, I never forgot. Must be a reason. I took my son to that park, the family teams. I'm wishing my dad could see us. Feel like he helping me push on both of these swings, cause they was the push that I needed. That's when I thought I started singing in Reservoir Pop. Started believing in Reservoir Pop.